11 years I've been staying on these streets. 11 years. In these 11 years I've been staying here, I can go and ask all my neighbors. If Shehu has come to look for trouble in any reason, I don't want friends on my street. I have neighbors who quite neighborly, but I don't know how to make new friends. I don't grow with new people. Because I swear, listen, look at all the events. People invite me to their events now. It's not as if they don't invite me. You see that I don't go. Why? Because people just, I'm tired. I see people really I don't vibe with the crowd here. I don't vibe with their conversations. I don't vibe with their consciousness. So I just stay away from I'm on my own, fam. In my little lane, my lane is so tiny, I can only take my bicycle, can't even take my car. One bicycle, I just the road, jeje. You know? But people keep testing, you know, keep trying, looking for. So now, on our street, here at Akioshiemi, if you go to look at my story, you see my neighbor. I posted we that live here on this street, that we own this community, that this is our area, that we have to live. Go and look at the message they sent me in my street. They thanked me for what I did. Are my neighbors crazy? Are they mad? Don't they know what happened here? Why aren't they here? Has anybody heard anything about me from anybody? Because why? I don't look for trouble. But here's the thing. If you search for me, Seun Kuti, you will find me. I don't hide. I do not hide. If you find me, if you search for me, you will find me. Easily, fam. Easily. So, what happened yesterday? Now, right in front of me, you see, this is why I hate all these investors. Some woman came to invest here. She doesn't live here. They don't live here. You understand? These people don't live here. They came to invest in our street. Our street full of hotels now. I'm even happy I'm building my house and parking away from here. Because I can't even stay here anymore. This is no longer a street for people to live. This is the only hotels. They don't turn people house to hotel everywhere for my street. We can't leave our homes. We cannot go like we are kidnapped. Like we are trapped. Because some people want to make money for themselves. Selfish bastards. That have no fucking iota of consciousness about their fellow human beings. You go to your house and sleep. You throw party on our street. You are not here. You are not fucking here. You go to your house. You put cars all over our gate. You can't go out of our houses. The people that are thanking Buhari, this idiot, I am Don Peters. The people that are thanking Buhari, Buhari is giving them money. That's why they are enjoying for his wickedness. Am I giving my neighbors money? They tell you I go and donate drinks to them. I said I don't even talk to them. You these idiots. Mugu or they. That's what we are saying. Selfish bastards. So these fucking people yesterday, they didn't even notify me. No letter to any of the people on there. I didn't see any letter. No. They started their party at 9 a.m. I've never seen such a thing before in my life. This party started at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Loud music. When I say loud, bass everywhere in my house was shaking. Boom. I went to bed at 7:30 in the morning. I was walking. 7:30. Now I go sleep. They were making noise from 9 a.m. Boom, 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 boom. I woke up. I said, but these people know. I didn't do anything. I went back to my sleep. I tried my best. I tried to sleep by 4 because I was tired, man. Okay, now they are still going on with their party. 6:30 p.m. 7 p.m. Now I want to go out because of them. I want to leave the house because I can't do anything in my house. I have to leave the house. Okay, let me go out. I open my gate. These people, they have blocked my gate, like back directly in front of my gate. Two of my other neighbors' gate. For 20 minutes, I was waiting for this bastard. My neighbor was trying to drive into his house. He was there before me, waiting to enter his house. Nobody was answering him until I came outside. What's going on here? Raise the tempo of the thing. They now went to their party to go and call the person that parked the car. That one can't come. He reached where a car day. They do like big man. No, I can't. If you are the one where actually need, where actually the state, if forget to, if these people actually owned our streets, if they own the street, if the street was their own, that they were the one housing us, is that how they will lock us in our homes just because they want to throw a fucking party? You individualistic bastards that can never think communally. Listen, it's war between us and you guys. All you people with this kind of mindset in this fucking Lagos, it is war. Anyone that I see one that they take her like that, if you cannot put your fellow human beings into consideration when you're taking an action, the consequences is yours to bear. Yours to bear. Move your car. You know what that first one tell me? He say, what if your this because you know for I can't. I first give that one slap. Straight. Boy, move your car. He made that slap all that in mouth where they make. He turned to soprano. From blah, 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 blah. He sopranoed in voice immediately. Because you people are not trained. Talk about koinle, awama koinita. You understand what I'm telling you? Talk about koinle, awama koinita. You people don't have fucking brain. You block somebody's house. Okay, what if somebody in that house was dying and we need to take them out on an emergency? What if somebody in our homes was dying and we're trying to take that person out? What if? Nobody thinks about that because we're going to chop free rice. I want one biliki. Never see jollof before for your life. You won't go chop rice, you block person house. So now, they hand out bouncers at the party. So that one they come up for it. He can't enter the car now, they try to move. So that fucking what it be fucking bastard name. The people doing the fucking party, I don't even know their name. When they called their bouncer outside. So this thing was over. The guy was moving his car. I was standing in my gate. I left the street. I was standing in my house. Move your car, let traffic flow, let people leave. Move all your cars. The other guy that was blocking my house was in his car. Nobody did anything. We were standing. They go call Alagbara bouncers come. For our own streets. They go call this fucking their bouncers come. Now those ones leave their party. They didn't even stay in their party. They left their party and came to my house. Came to the front of my gate to meet me. For our own streets, all men launch them straight. Next time will be Ajebotani. We launch them back to their party. Shoot them. In fact, we don't even fight them. What are they talking? That was not the fight. When they came to the house, we chased them back to their party. I told them, everybody had pushed them. I said, everybody, leave my house, go back to your party. I don't want to talk to you guys. I don't want to feel anything. There's nothing. I don't want to interact with all of you. Leave my house. So I pushed them out of my house. I said, nobody from this party should talk to me. I don't want your apology. I don't want anything. Just move these cars and let everybody leave this place. Finish. Everybody left. They moved back. They went to their party. The cars were moving. I went back to my house. I entered my car. I pulled out of my house. I was trying to go front again. One of their party goers in foil finished for inside car. He stopped for middle of road. Bam. Foil was finished in his car. I was sitting in my car. No foil in his car. Waiting for them to push his car away. Or then I was waiting there. They were pushing the car. They can't push the car. They went to buy foil. As I was waiting in my car, Their bouncer now came to meet me and threatened my life. He threatened my fucking life. He said, no be you be Seun Kuti. Me and they come share where we come fire you. I go treat your fuck up. These bastard people did not. Why didn't they tweet that? Why didn't they tweet that? So I should let him go and come and kill me? So I said, you will kill me? You will treat my fuck up? That's when the fight started. And we didn't need to pull guns on anybody. Because we beat them with our bare hands. Buff all their nose, tear all their uniform. Now nakedness, shot they take escape from our streets. Yeah, they were gunshots because men day. Men day. This is fucking Ireland, fam. I didn't come to your hood. You want try robbery, say gunshot no go sound. You threaten my life for my hood. Say gun sound. See, even if the federal government come for me, they don't bring arrest warrants. If they don't bring arrest warrant, the judge sign, they'll say, dear chairman, I want to see you, director. Now shoot out. I'm saying it now for the whole world to hear. They have to come to my house with arrest warrant. They have to come to my fucking house with arrest warrant, fam. Are they mad? He threatened my life. He said he's gonna fucking kill me. Are you people? Say the association came to oppress somebody. Me, I oppress somebody. When I block my gates, when I threaten my life, what kind of behavior is that? When you are throwing a party, you think you have the right to block everybody's gate, and you do not even live here. Because you do investment for the streets, see investors saying come invest for my streets. Now you are living in peace in your own house. Nobody is blocking your gate with car. You are throwing party on my street to block my gate. That's not the craze. They can't go they talk half story for internet. They don't talk all the evil things where then they do. Me, I'm not looking for pity and I don't play victim. If I play victim, now every time when they come for news, they play victim, play victim. I don't play victim. But you cannot victimize me. Nobody can victimize me. Yeah. It's either you beat me, you defeat me. You cannot victimize me. I'm not a victim, fam. Me, I not be victim. Even when I be 100, only me day. I will go down fighting, fam. When I go beat me, die, and I go they go. But say I be victim, and I go they talk my say, that boy na Chris boy, yeah. You know the yeah. Now when I go talk with that, say na mumu fam. Story. Come my sister because they bouncer. Saying go treat my fuck up. In the Comstein, can't treat my fuck up. They can't treat my fuck up. We wanna block our street because they do party. My senior brother is calling me, guys.